This is a thermal switch. It operates the additional fuel supplied by the fifth injector. It decides on how long this fifth injector works, and they come with different parameters depending on the engine they are in. And the last piece of the puzzle is this hot start valve. What it does, it again controls the pressure here, but only at higher temperatures, so in hot start environments. And I'm not really sure, but I think they operated with this sender. I may be wrong, but I would have to look it up. So what it does, it allows for even less pressure here to allow this plunger to have even less resistance, which means less fuel for the engine, but it doesn't let the engine to flood, because the same amount that it needs to run would be enough by if you would to start fully warmed up engine. Let's say the engine has 90 degrees and it runs perfectly on the amount of fuel that's regulated by this regulator. But then when you shut it off for 2 minutes and then want to start it again, the conditions that are currently in the engine are not optimal to start it. So this AFR would be too much for the engine and would flood it. So this hot start valve prevents flooding of a hot engine and eases the start of a hot engine. So we have two main components that help the system understand in what condition the engine is. So that's WUR, warm-up regulator, and this hot start valve, which directly steer pressure above the plunger here, which in terms directs how much, how rich or how lean is the mixture in your engine. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave a comment, and I will try to answer them as good as I can and as good I understand this system.